In this video, I will show you how you can install apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, there are two ways to install apps on your Samsung phone. You can either install apps from the Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store. Now, the app installation process is very simple on both app markets. Now, to install apps from the Google Play Store, you will have to be signed into your Gmail account to do so. But if you want to install apps from the Galaxy Store, you will have to be signed into your Samsung account to do so. Now let's start with the Google Play Store first. Now to install any app on your Samsung phone, first of all, just make sure that your Samsung phone is connected to the internet. After you've done that, now just open the Google Play Store. Now you can either scroll down over here and you can browse for apps which you want to download, or you can just tap on the search icon and you can search for the name of the app which you want to install. For example, I will install this app. Just tap on install. Now after you do that, the app will start downloading. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the selected app on our Samsung phone. But if you want to install apps from the Galaxy Store, to do that, just open the Galaxy Store. Now similarly, you can either browse over here and you can look for the apps which you want to install, or you can tap on the search icon over here and you can search for the app which you want to install. For example, I will install this app. Now just tap on install and the app will start installing on your Samsung phone. As you can see, this is how you can install apps on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.